What's going on, everyone? It's Kelly here, and right now we're making an epic video for Blue Gabe. Dogs and hogs. Robert and Lowell invited us out here to the ranch. We're just having fun. We're making a couple awesome videos. I shot a beautiful, delicious hog last night, and Jake, oh my gosh, he had an amazing shot as well. So right now, we're following his dog. He's baying a hog right now. But I'm gonna take you guys back to yesterday to show you guys my hog. Check it out. Jake, you ready?
Yep.
You ready to go shoot a hog?
I'm ready to go bust one.
Been ready to go bust one, he says. All right, Redneck, sorry, you gotta stay here. Babe, are you putting on shoes?
Literally.
For the first time.
The disgusting thing is I'm putting shoes and socks on already dirty feet. But don't judge.
Not more
We're at a
shoes, too.
We're at a new place. We don't know if there's briars or cactus or whatever. So
Look at them socks.
I already stepped on a bee.
Yeah, I had to put a band-aid on Jake's foot already. He stepped on a bumblebee. But lucky for me, I got my Crocs in four-wheel drive.
Let's
Blended
ride.
in. Let's go. Alright, you guys, we've been riding on the buggy and we finally found a couple hogs up there, so we're gonna go ahead and spot stalk them.
get right there. I just want you to try and take it. Yeah, you see him. Get ready. Get ready. Then you're ready to come up. Right behind that tree. They're up on top of that mound right next to the palmetto tree right now. See the ones back? As soon as they step off down there, as soon as you see his head in there, his ear, let a bullet drop. There's one. I think the red one that's with her is a boar hog.
Can y'all scoot up about 3 foot so I can get you up? There you go. Perfect, perfect. Right there, perfect.
Okay, which one you just looking at? The gray one you just looked at? The sow. So she's full of babies. We're gonna do first. The red one that comes down, I don't know what it is yet, but it looks like a boar hog. But if the red one head's coming out, shoot it. If we get enough time to look at it, I'll tell you otherwise. But here he's coming down right now. You see him on the front of the tree?
He's on our side of the tree, Kelly.
His head's getting ready to come down in a second. There he is. His head's coming out right now. You see his ear? So you got a shot. You can kill him. Head. Spin around. They're coming back to the left now. See if you can swing to the left a little more with the grass is so right. See the one over there? Either the red hog or that one, whichever one you get a shot on.
You gotta tell me which one so I know which one to get on.
Which one are you gonna shoot though? Tell us.
The red one.
Okay, go ahead. Reload. 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 Get a shot on that one if you can. The second one to the left. See him stop right there? You get a shot on him, blast it.
The one to the right?
Yeah.
He's running away.
Awesome job, babe.
Good shot.
Did I get him?
Yeah.
Sorry, that was nerve-wracking.
Oh no. Oh no.
Good shot.
Babe.
Got him.
Hey.
Perfect shot.
Perfect shot. That animal's gonna eat good too.
Yeah.
And this is the shot, and it's.
That's a freaking perfect one.
Is it a good eating domestic one too?
More fat. Better to eat.
Perfect. Okay. Pressure's off now.
Babe, hold this camera. Tell me.
Yeah, you ready?
Yep.
Use the sticks if you want.
No.
Let me see if there's a boar. Don't shoot the shot here. I'm gonna tell you if it's a boar.
Which one?
So if you can,
The taller one.
on the back, you know the hump on the back. Yeah. So if you can tell, it's the boar. One of them's a boar. One of them's a sow. Pull up here with that buggy. Let him shoot off the buggy.
I don't know how you see these things.
I can hear him. I know.
I just saw him. He's right
Yeah.
there. He just went into the edge of the grass. You see the boar hog over there? I thought that was the one y'all were shooting at. Couldn't get a clear shot on him, and we didn't want to
Got
wait.
him.
Hey,
She looked like she
babe
was gonna
laid
be
the hammer down on a big old pork. My feet are
Kelly.
getting wet.
What have you done did?
I done did. Got me a hog.
Nice shooting.
Thank you, thank you.
Now we got some pork cut.
Pork chop.
Pork chop.
Wait, what do we got, Luke?
We got some pork chops for dinner tonight.
Yes, we do. Hold on. Am I gonna load this thing on the buggy?
Look at that hog right there.
Oh, I think Gabe's gonna try to shoot it from the buggy. Let's go, redneck status.
Right there, thing up here.
Come here.
The sticks. Where's the sticks
You
at?
can shoot right here off this railing. You see the big black hog, Jake?
Oh my god.
Yeah, get your gun up.
Where's Mike? Where's the
He's walking away. Luke, be still. Here, I'll hold your ears. Go. Don't shoot unless you think you can hit it.
Is it the big one?
Put it up here on this.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
He gets
Oh my god, my boy! Nailed it! Turn around and show that camera what you just did!
200 yards on the run.
On the run, and he's 10 years old with a brand new Grendel.
I'm sorry.
All three are like, no, don't shoot.
Excuse my language.
Jake!
Oh my goodness.
Hey, hold on. Your feet are gonna get wet if you go down there. Stay up here. Let's grab that hog and load
He
him
must
up.
be your child, babe.
He's right on the edge of that.
We got a 2-for-1.
Did it just get up?
Jake, awesome job.
Thank you.
Woo.
Good job.
Hey.
Is that your first hog?
That is my second hog.
Give me a hoof and then you hop up here.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
That's lightweight.
Kel.
Big pork down.
Everybody grab a seat.
Awesome stock.
Can we go get one now?
Kelly, what did Jake just do?
Jake just, I couldn't even do that. That is so impressive.
Speaking of hogs, fair's next week, and I'm about to show mine.
That's right.
Luke's showing a chicken.
Luke, you up next.
Like a croc dog. Nailed it.
Pig was not being dead. That pig was moving. Once his nerves are gonna quit.
Jake, where'd you hit that hog?
Right here in the neck.
Son, good shot. Let's load this thing up and get back to camp.
It broke its neck, right? So I'm right here, broke it, instantly dead. Dead.
Is the GoPro dead? No.
Just keep
Don't keep pushing the button. You're turning it off. I want this picture more than anything.
Alright, you guys, we had a successful hunt. We were out there hunting for maybe an hour and a half, spot and stalking. I shot my I shot my second hog, perfect shot, and Mr. Jake Arrington here, the hog slayer,
Trying to steal the show.
he stole the show. I will give him the show. I give him all the credit. I couldn't even do what he just did. It was incredible. But
You did good too.
thank
Listen,
you.
Mr. Showboater.
He knows he's a good shot.
I got a whole pack of of a boy.
Empty your pockets, sir. Let's see what you got in there.
Okay.
While we've been hog hunting, Luke's been collecting like always. We're gonna have a bucket of these when we get back to the house.
I feel like if he goes through airport security, we're gonna be
Yeah.
good.
And I am proud of you for letting that one boar hog walk.
That was pretty tempting, but
It
I
was
never
very
even
tempting.
thought about pulling the
But
trigger.
that, I mean, that was just insane. When I'm filming it, I'm like on this camera, I'm zooming into the hog, and then we got the GoPro on Gabe, and the hog came so close that Gabe and the hog were in the shot, and I'm like, I need to like step back to film this hog. But right now, we're gonna go ahead and clean the hogs, then we're gonna eat because we're all starving.
Go ahead.
Alright guys, we're having some skirt steak for dinner. Robert cooked up here, but right now, we had to go ahead and put at least a little bit of hog on the table. So check out this tenderloin right here. That looks amazing.
You know what? I've already tasted it. Wait till you try it. Go ahead. Let's see.
Maybe this one. Oh my, it just feels tender. Oh
Dude,
my
it's
God.
insane.
That's the best piece of pork I've ever had.
Literally insane.
Wow, that's amazing. All right, guys, we're gonna sit down and grub out.